La 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 la.
Finally, it is done. The perfect chocolate cake.
It smells delicious.
But it is too hot. I must let it cool down. I will go to the garden to water the flowers.
Stay here, beautiful cake. Do not run away.
Okay, time for a snack.
Emma,
What is it? What happened?
the pot, look, it's completely ruined. I don't know what to do.
Emma. What happened? Is there a spider?
Mom? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Look! Look! Look at the plate!
It is a very clean plate. Good job washing dishes.
No, Davy! My cake! It is gone! Stolen!
Who would steal a cake?
I don't know, but I want justice. We need the police.
No, Emma. We don't need the police. You have the Family Detectives.
Okay, stop right there. Nobody leave the room.
Dad, why are we wearing sunglasses inside the house?
It is dark. Because detectives must look cool, son.
I am Detective D.D.
And I am Agent P.
Correct. Fouaz. Mom. Tell us exactly what happened.
I put the cake here at 3 p.m. I went to the garden.
I came back at 3:15 p.m.
The cake was gone.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Cake gone between 3 and 3:15. Note taken.
Agent P, we need to secure the perimeter. Use the yellow tape.
Do not cross this line, ma'am.
Davy, this is my kitchen.
It is a crime scene now.
Agent P, look for clues.
What are we looking for?
anything suspicious. A hair, a footprint, a note.
Detective D! Come here!
What did you find? A dinosaur bone?
No. Look on the floor, near the chair. Small, brown pieces.
Is it dirt?
Nom nom. Ah.
No! It is sweet! It is chocolate!
Don't eat off the floor, Davy.
It is evidence.
Someone ate the cake and dropped crumbs here.
The trail goes this way, toward the living room. Look at the fridge handle.
What about it? What about it?
There is a white mark.
Aha! It looks like flour or sugar.
The thief touched the fridge. Maybe to get milk?
Smart thinking, Agent P. Cake and milk go together.
So the thief was thirsty.
We are looking for someone with chocolate on their shoes and milk on their lips.
Bring in the first suspect.
Where were you at 3 p.m., Mr. Bean?
He is not talking, Detective.
He is tough.
Is that chocolate on his nose?
No, that is just his button nose.
Are you sure? Smell him.
He smells like dust.
Okay, Mr. Bean, you are free to go. But don't leave town.
Agent P, stop! This case is harder than I thought. Mr. Bean is not talking.
What do we do, Detective D? We are stuck.
We need backup. We need our special investigation team.
Who are they?
ZHM. The people watching this video.
Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel.
We are the English family.
We make videos to help you learn English. It is fun and easy.
But today, we have a crime.
A cake crime. Kes crime.
And we need YORR help.
If you enjoy our stories, please give us a big like.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Ding ding!
Detective D has a question for you. Write in the comments below, who stole the cake?
Was it Mom?
Was it Dad?
Or was it the spider?
Let us know your guess.
Oh, really?
Now back to the investigation.
Agent P, look at me.
Detective D? Where were YOU at 3 p.m.?
Me?
Can anyone verify that?
The spiders in the garage saw me.
Davy, you don't like the garage.
I was fixing the time machine.
Suspicious. Very suspicious.
And you, Agent P? Reporting for duty.
I was doing my homework in my room. Waha.
I can confirm that.
Okay. So it wasn't Peter.
It wasn't Mr. Bean.
Who could it be?
Look, Dad! Another crumb!
They are leading to the sofa.
Let's look under the sofa. Ah!
I see something.
Is it the cake?
No. It is a wrapper.
The trail doesn't stop here. It goes upstairs.
Upstairs? Who is upstairs?
Let's go to the bathroom.
Maybe the thief washed his hands.
Look at the sink. It is wet.
Someone washed their face recently.
Dad, look in the mirror.
Why? I know I am handsome.
Look at your shirt.
Oh. Oh.
There is chocolate on your shirt.
AHA. Caught red-handed.
Okay. I confess. It was me.
Why did you do it, Detective D? You were supposed to catch the thief, not be the thief.
I couldn't help it. Oh. The cake smelled so good. It whispered to me.
The cake spoke to you?
Yes. I took one small bite. Then another. Then another. And another. Another.
You ate the whole cake?
I left some crumbs.
Case closed.
The culprit is Dad.
Here is your punishment.
Jail? Prison? Prison?
No.
You have to bake a new cake.
But I don't know how to bake.
I will help you. Agent P will supervise.
Fine, I will bake the best cake ever, and you do the dishes for 1 week.
Oh, man.
Crime does not pay.
Come on, Dad. Let's get the flour.
Yes, boss.